Great hotel, especially if you want to catch an early train. This is the 5th time I've stayed here. The beds are extremely comfortable and rooms well kept. I stay here so I can walk to the train station to get the early morning zaps in. Good location and swimming pool. Good location and swimming pool. Charming hotel. This is historical hotel. Decoration inside is very interesting. I got an upgrade during stay. Room is large and clean. Only one comment is location is close to metro, but you have to cross the road, which is not easy for tourists. Clean, large room, good location, excellent service. Clean, large room, good location, excellent service. Staff is helpful and polite. Room service is good. Top class service. Amazing staff that helps you out. The food is really expensive. It's really extraordinary, but way too expensive. The prices should be review. Business trip. We are very pleased to stay in this hotel. The location is right next to our business meeting and the classic building makes us feeling proud to be there. Comfortable and good food. The most comfortable hotel if you travel by train. Subway across the road, too. Plus, it's one of the famous 7-Stalin high-risers. Good location. The service is really good and staff is helpful. Location is near train station that can catch a train to St. Petersburg. Also it's near a suburb train station to Sargiev Posad. If you arrive in the morning, you can ask for early chicken. Great deal. Booked the room when USD was super strong. The deal was amazing. The hotel is based in a historical building in downtown Moscow. Had great experience. Stunning. Glamorous. It's like living in heritage. The lobby wowed me when I just entered. So beautiful and vintage. Staffs are helpful though everyone looks so cool with no smiles. I spent an evening in the lobby area, ordered dessert and a cocktail from the restaurant. Food and ambience were amazing. Room is standard, king-size bed and big toilet. It's the most impressive Hilton hotel that I have experienced. Very Moscow, a nice building. The hotel itself is an amazing looking, historical building right across from the metro station linking you to wherever you want to go. Staff were very helpful and spoke decent English. The barman in the lobby was great too, giving us ideas of places to go that weren't in the guidebook. Room was also lovely, as was the pool. Would definitely stay again. Value for money. For a Hilton, in this hotel you can usually find rooms in good prices, unless it is fully booked of course. Nice staff. I was fortunate enough to have a free room upgrade. Nice and classic hotel. Good location, good decorations, good services, but only one thing was noisy from the outside traffic. Exceptional. Great city hotel. It's near Metro and Leningradsky railway station. It is a UNESCO heritage site, so make sure you go explore the bars and ballroom. The rooms are good but not excellent. Very clean and temperature control is good. Convenient, reasonably priced and awesome historic building. The hotel is located in one of Stalin's 7 sister buildings, which already makes the stay more interesting. It's a typical Hilton hotel, where the staff are accommodating and polite, the rooms are kept really clean and you get decent bathroom products. I have stayed here before. I remember the bed being really comfortable and I was certainly not disappointed this time. The bed was so comfortable I didn't want to leave. My only slightly negative point would be that breakfast is incredibly overpriced and, as is the case with big hotels, can be busy and a slightly stressful experience. Big rooms with comfortable bed, good bath and shower. Very good. I enjoyed of center location and big rooms with comfortable bed.